right, happy Thursday morning. So let's do a AM briefing today and cover some of the basics we need to cover. First thing is we're going to review the larger picture. So since we bounced off 46.25 strong level, we have went up 187 points. And yesterday we had about a 44-point pullback. Primary 30-minute trend line, parabolic trend line, broken. Notice that when it broke it, in fact, let's go in and look at it. Let's come into this, touch, and back test. Isn't that interesting? So I can now delete that level. Okay, so let's come into a 3-minute. I want to pull this in. Let's look at RTH only. So, trend lines are important again. Right here inside the group, I noted that we broke the trend. Then we establish a new one. Okay? Those trend lines can help you decide what type of trades am I looking for. Lack of backside development in this move versus getting backside development in that move. That tells you something about the strength of the move, and you want to be on sides. If you got a dominant trend line pointing up, what trade should you honestly only be looking for? Longs. If the trend line is pointed down, what trade should you really be looking for? Shorts. Anything else is counter. Anything else is off sides, and it's a harder trade. If you counter, which you certainly can do, see money, take money. Never add to a loser. Never move your stop loss. Know where you're wrong and you just get out. So, yesterday, trends and backside development told the story. And we finally had a nice little retrace. So, news drivers today, we've got a GDP number and unemployment claims an hour before the opening. Remember, next week is a monster week. Let's review the overnight session now. So we're coming to this primary 30-minute trend line. This will definitely come into play today. Remember, time or price takes it out. So it'll be interesting to see. So the overnight range is clearly defined as here. Let's draw that out. Where are we? We're just hugging the bottom of this range. Tiny little laddering up sequence. But we are in the bottom of yesterday's range, which is showing some sort of acceptance. Let's go look at everybody else real quick. Russell in the bottom, Dow in the bottom, and of course NQ in the bottom, ES in the bottom. So everyone's in the bottom part of this range. No one's that excited to get back up, but everyone does seem to have a slight little slant to the upside in their move. Let's turn on the strong levels. So I didn't really change any of the labels in these. I still believe this is the warning shot to bulls. They got a little warning shot. How are they going to respond? And then it's watch out below here. If they're going to take it down, I wouldn't be surprised that we come to this strong level, or we go ahead and just play this whole range again. But below there, watch out below.
Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.